Hello, kids. Let's learn colors together. This is a banana. A banana is yellow. This is a strawberry. A strawberry is red. This is the sky. The sky is blue. This is the grass. Grass is green. This is an orange. An orange is orange. This is a grape. A grape is purple. This is milk. Milk is white. This is a car tire. A tire is black. This is a carrot. A carrot is orange. This is a cherry. A cherry is red. This is a frog. A frog is green. This is a blueberry. A blueberry is blue. This is a lemon. A lemon is yellow. Yay! You're doing great. Now let's say the colors together. Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple, W, white, black. Well done. You've learned so many colors today. See you next time. Bye-bye.